Every day, the farmer used to pluck papayas from his papaya tree. But one day he noticed something strange about the tree, as if someone was stealing his papayas. So the farmer decided to hide in his hut to keep an eye out and catch the thief. The next morning, as usual, the parrot came and stole a papaya, then flew away. The farmer quietly followed the parrot. The parrot flew all the way to its home and placed the papaya in its little hut. The farmer realized that the parrot was about to become a mother. That's why it was collecting food for its upcoming babies. Then one day it started raining very heavily. The farmer ran to the parrot and took it with him, because the parrot's